Enough bad prayer pray, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boat without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, me have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like me and nails. Rips couldn't tell me say, me nah have guts. Get my heart broke and start move cautious. I'm on the buy people, now me can't trust. So me put a 30 belly in my Taurus. Stay to myself, grass cut. I never left my shoes, it's like a glass broke. Jungle jaw breaks, my head crab up. Can't stop me now, me just a warm up. Heaven never make for me, all me do a grimy life. Fight for fight, search and couldn't find the light. Never know the vibes, born with a mighty vice. Them a gonna hear me right now, and my time for shine. Set me free, I'm out the nights me cry. Puff pan a spliff, I'm out of fly me fly. Far from perfect, I'm out of time me slide. When me need them never they by my side. Stereotype, and the place where me come from.
Detective Fabian. The crew, you know. Why are you up in the force?
Boy, one blood. I want to say, when I look a bit, I go on some fuckery in the dog.
Brother, I'm hungry, you know. Mommy not cook no breakfast.
Mommy not no money, you know, bro.
Brother, I'm tired of the living here, you know. Can't do this no more, you know. Can't do this no more.
Can't do this no more neither. We have to just go and hold it, you know, bro.
You know no sense.
How are you, Mago? How are your brother, go?
Mommy, just say I'm hungry and gone.
This is a dirty bad breed, Pitney. Just come make him work this pooper. Come inside, just make some caramel porridge for you.
Porridge again, mommy? You know all that.
Go in the house, go drink your porridge. I provide nothing.
Brother, you're not hungry.
You're feeling for satisfied.
Yeah, my brother, you know. I have to take care of you, you know.
We are Pitney. I know what job that.
I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common.
What you gonna do with that? Stop going like you eat on a little boy.
Him not have no sense, you know.
The pum done good boy, na madman. Now me have good pum problem.
Oh, lady, give me a bug.
Look boy, you have sense. Move from here, yeah, man.
Give me a bug from stab you.
Wow, boy.
They rob my bag. The little boy from up at the top of the lane just robbed my bag.
Who's your boy?
The little boy from up at the top of the lane then just robbed my bag and robbed my phone.
Who's your boy?
Audrey's son. You know Audrey's son?
Yeah.
Him robbed my phone and my bag and him gone down that way there a while ago.
Come here, I'll link you then.
Alright.
Roger Tosh, new beginning. Yeah. Look at my shirt, the dirty two pants, not even new shoes. Hot stepper, we are like hot pepper. You're trying a little hustling.
Yo, Madonna, beer things are going on.
What?
This is man them rob me no?
Nicole, who rob you?
No Andrew little boy them.
Look how long man I beg you some pussy. If you give it to me, the boy I wouldn't dare play with you.
Besides man, stop going so man. You still can't get it now. I'm just never ready yet.
You're gonna fix things. You'll get back everything.
Alright. Thank you, darling.
Get the dog them and circle a little boy there. All him mother I get it too.
Alright, my general.
And make sure you get back our things then.
You say Madonna for her.
Javaughn.
Yeah, I believe I do that, brother.
Oh, brother, I'm gonna get phone and money.
Keep your dirty money.
Brother, you move like an idiot. God knows.
Come on, you come from.
Me? What me do?
I lose a memory quick, eh? What do man the things in there?
Money no never me.
Hey boy, and RJ your mother.
Audrey? Yeah, she and my mother.
Hey boy, you know what come from?
Mommy! 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 Mommy!
I want to look about you now, God.
Mommy! Gold man is take with Javaughn.
What? What you say? I win that.
A while ago, mommy.
Are we do Fabian? Are we do Jesus Christ? Fabian, are we do Fabian?
When I look a bit, I go on some fuckery in the dog. And a boy when him Lizard. Lizard man, you know. And him friend named Sangster, kidnap my little brother.
Yeah?
Never see him back dog. From that day there, my life changed, brother.
Yeah.
You know, see me ramp with boy.
Yeah, that's what I asked
Funny in the face when I hold them, man. I forget it, that Lizard man.
So Fabian, you not kill so much man and Lizard kill your brother, you not crush him out there, no?
Yo, you have to know him, brother. Tactics is everything, you know. Tactics. The boy Lizard man is a getter youth.
Yeah.
But the pussy they're powerful, you know. Boy full of connection, you see me?
That's where man play then, man.
You have to know how to touch him. What me I tell you, he may go bust up very soon, brother. You see me? Just don't want to be reckless about it.
Yeah, it's plan the operation proper, man. And thing I figure, see.
No, you're a liar soldier still now on skull. Force and the force, me know say you go. Dead when you meant to bust out.
Of course. You don't have to link me for that, man. You can't do that and not call me father, man.
Better no. Yo, one skull. Everybody want him, you go kill him, no?
Yeah.
See me? Because boy, they now get you after him kill my brother, say no.
Can't get it.
I'm not kill most serious possible. See the boy named Sangster.
Yeah. But that old boy there.
Him come take him brother. We are gonna bust them up. See me? Operation. Come finish up the work still.
Yeah. It never too late for the rain come down. Never too late for the rain come down. Rain no fall but one man won't stop, you know.
Yo, one skull. Everybody look at where they're going tonight, you know. But they're going home. We are sending them to meet them mate, yeah? Police, don't move. Put up a bomb box out on. Search him. How are that?
Bad man.
A gun? A gun that?
Man.
You know what you're dead tonight?
Black.
You know you're dead? Christmas, don't kill him. Who gave that gun there? Let me see that gun there to him. Let me see that gun there. Let me see that gun there. Hold on, man. 45. Them thing are there, you know? Put this back on the belly. Them thing are there, you know? Who gave a gun? Lizard. The one the cartel kill? No? Oh, what you going now? See? I need Lizard man, you know? So either you're going dead tonight, see? Or you're going to work with me. You're going to work with me. Anything I say, no, see? So, let's know what's the name. You know, nobody pop up yourself for saying, boy, broad chaps. Anyway, see? Any move Lizard man make, no. One skull, no.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, that.
You hear that? Yeah. And Lizard man got died, you know? Yeah. Alright. Here we go on. You want back your gun? Oh, you're smart. Yeah, man, you're looking nice, you hear that? Go on in. Lift two in your one skull. I'm lucky nice. I better know we're there. Come in.
Oh, that.
Yeah, you need to order something. I don't like where
lizard man after that. Officer Fabian.
Yo, brown chaps.
Yo, I'm just lizard man that out of chicken and things a while ago.
Oh, you just seen that, huh? Chicken and things.
How far are they?
Me there right around the corner, me a drive come.
All of this. Yeah.
Go on.
Papa and bro, chops are good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Oh. Don't touch me.
Sorry, excuse me. My brother, no?
My brother will yes him just to put off on my stepdaughter. But I'm a friend with him.
Oh, your friend. Hey, behave yourself, you know. Yeah, man, so, you know, my name is Officer Fabian. You know, what's it?
Well, my name is Nicole. Pretty face and good body. My friend over there, slash name Jamaican.
Hi, Javaughn. Anyway, still ladies. Nice to meet you. I don't know if you know I'm buying lunch today. I'll go inside, have lunch.
No problem.
You do, you know. How are you, Uncle? Brown chap, turn back, man. Anyway, ladies, you guys can have anything you like today. Get me?
We want to eat. I'm fine. Well, me want something to eat.
No, I'm gonna buy food to you, man. Anyway, let me take it for you. You know?
Yes, sir, you the man who want girl? I'm over there to sit down. Don't take long with the food, me and wait.
Alright. Your friend is easy, you know. You know, say me I go my business a while ago and I see I'm really like stuff. To you look nice. You know, the polo. See, right now, me have late, you know? Court business, me have to go to you see? I mean, right, man.
Me, but you're police, sir.
So, you don't like police?
No. I don't know why, because when I was at except for my father.
That's why if you're a policeman, it protect you from family.
From look for you, Mr. Problem.
Yeah. Now, man, just take my number, man. You know me? Because from look for you, you have a future.
Well, since they're police, I'm going to give them my number. I don't normally do this stuff, but I know my number is safe.
Let's get the number on your phone now.
Just not text it.
Oh, I don't know we can't text it, man. Really?
I'm hungry. Make him hurry and get the food.
Come now, you call my phone number.
I think we never call me the way my home.
Me have work, you remember say me a busy man. Nice, come here, man. Sure. Good afternoon. You are going to be take care of you. You know, married. Just do nothing with you, man. Here.
Alright.
Anything you know.
Yeah, man, no
problem.
problem.
Be complete, alright?
No problem.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Darling, show face. Be there.
I did it, man. I did everything good.
Yeah, where do you have
man? You know, so I did everything on it. Yeah, man.
What you saying, man? We're bringing something in the street.
Yeah, I'm team general. Team active, man.
What are you here?
So I can't tell where up on the menu.
Okay, so we have loaded fries, we have escalates fish, brown stew fish. We also have stewed pork. Okay, and we also have barber fried chicken. So, alright, like the loaded fries, it come with the chicken steak, cut up real small, cheese, mayonnaise,
Not like me here, so no loaded fries. What? But another combo.
Where
I want some no fish. The brown stew fish me here said that bad.
Yeah, man.
But guess what? Going back and up for the biggest one and that me want come have to top up in bill in here.
Alright.
Where you want, friend? And I'm gonna come take a look something. Take something big too.
I need a tropical rhythm and a loaded fries, that's all. And a loaded fries.
That's all I want. They want loaded fries too, yeah?
So you want the stew brown stew fish with the loaded fries?
Right.
So what kind of juice you want?
So how long we have to go wait on the food, yeah?
Okay, 10 minutes or 50 minutes, all depends, but about 10 minutes.
That's not bad, friend. We can go sit down and chat. Come.
But look here, they never tell me what kind of juice you want.
Why the dearest juice you have over there?
Arizona.
Put it on the bill. Come.
Alright.
Thanks to God.
Yo, I want lizard man that, you know. Watch him. Soap. One spoon, I need to focus very clean, you know. You might forget happy, you hear that. Watch him. Lid that boy, if lid in one spoon. Soap.
You don't deal with the thing yet. I don't want to ramp with the business, you know.
Police! Don't move. Listen, man. What a shooting a go on here, you know? I know, sir, you are the era leader.
So me control gunman.
Hey boy, man, you all talk to me soup now. Put a hole through you, know.
So wait, they don't take me afraid of police. Liquor soap, your partner start bubble yet.
Lizard man, me, I come here for a long talking. No matter your connection, you see me? Me, I go bring you down. I see you next time you see me? Nah, I go normal.
Hey, a joke you not give me. You not comedian. Yeah, Eddie Murphy. Yeah, Jim Carrey.
It's look funny to you. So, make we left here. I don't want to kill that one. See you later.
Yes, alligator. Yo, Mr. Dolly. Your police, they might get out of control, you know. And I don't want to lock down the police station. So guess what? Control the pestilence. How really a go on, man? Our police just walk in that place, so our place so loose.
So we are leaving the road.
Yeah, so if you deal with boy, I have to fling wet.
Kevin! They killed Kevin! Wicked police, they killed Kevin!
Boy, I've got to call Lizard man, you know. Babylon strike again. One gun at it.
You're not wicked! My brother innocent! My brother innocent! Wicked police!
You them girl are wicked?
So, if you are brother, amount of man for your brother killing you old junk one over. And that's why Jamaica can't better.
I wish I could have resurrect him and kill him again.
But should I left him body make junk and name the boy?
Shaja. No, sir. Wickedness can't done, brother. I don't really go. No. Hey.
So, you know, see justice for the criminal them have found.
A waste man that.
Him can't stop me from kill people, you know.
Better know that.
Me I eradicate everything, man.
Them police, you see, man. Them non-stop.
Oi.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! You're wicked!
You're rapid police! Come on, for a crime scene! Hey, bossy.
Oh!
Come on, crime scene.
Yo, we need to come on, Hurry up. So, I'm
wicked!
How are you, man?
Can't deal with them ghetto people, I know.
Murder! Why? Murder! What a wicked police them! Me not easy, you know. That's why work young done.
Get up and come talk to me.
Get up and put them weed.
Come on, you don't want justice for your family. Come talk to me, man. Calm down. I am Mr. Gale from Indicom. What is your name?
I'm Melissa, but they call me Mel Mel.
Calm down.
You can never see it.
Alright, man. You sit down. Because you need to tell me everything.
Okay.
Alright, so talk to me. What is happening now?
This man who is inside, I was sleeping. So we only went and them knock on the door and kick off the door. And when them come in, them drop my brother and carry him in the yard and carry him go kill him.
Eh?
Yes.
What you not saying? I told lunatic cops them, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, you see the tall one? Big on my face. Yes.
Don't worry yourself, Mel. We must get justice for your brother.
That me want and that me want.
Okay, Mel, don't worry yourself. I will definitely get justice for your brother.
Yeah, justice me want. I want it today.
Good day, officers. You guys strike again.
Strike again? Am I right, me I do, you know?
Mr. Gale, better come spoil with the air.
Calm down, man. I want to seem so heated today.
What you mean by heated? Fuck you talk about. I want your dog alone get bum buckler heated, man.
So you don't want to talk to me?
Let me tell you this, Benjamin. You see you come to make police work harder. Anything you want to find out, I check the police report. Come in.
See them two clowns we call themselves police. We must bring them down.
So the Rasta boy over there, sir? I name Rasta there with them, you know. Old killer, you see me? So I could go circle you.
I'm dirty.
Think you're easy. Dirty Rasta boy, don't move, you know. Police.
I can't Rasta you deal with, sir. Furthermore, me not believe in a Babylon.
Rasta boy, you think a fairy tale thing? Me not care where you believe in. You hear that? Just make a next step and you see if a God or sinner see you serve. You
Terms, no contamination.
Rasta boy, I want to you. You feel like you play police this?
Lava. Feel like you have Babylon gun it. How you feel like?
What you say? So, hold this.
Hey.
What you say now?
Bumbleclad. Murder. You see my big man, you have to some Rasta in them here.
Yo, stop your blood clot nice, man. Now you would just say, I told me have gun, make me go like my bad. Rasta dirt them. I know who you be, you know.
What if you thump up big man here?
I love going tough, you know. Rasta, you're soft like porridge.
Give me this. Rasta dirt them. Not even a lax me now spirit. Amount of people you kill. Your time expire now, you know.
No blood kill me, officer.
Fabian, you can't kill me, sir. People go down and watch you through the window and have video with it.
What am I doing here?
Some puss soul like you create some wicked monster like me.
After me, your father.
Rasta boy, you know, see bright?
I want to get myself in the eye.
Wifey, what's up?
Wifey. I went since me get married. Oh, nobody never invite me at my own wedding.
No man, I'm me man. Detective Stevenson.
Oh shit. Hello again, Sir Stevenson. How are you doing?
From me say I can't concentrate on nothing at all, you know. Can't get no work done.
What?
True, I can't stop thinking about you. You capture my mind.
Me?
Yes, you. I forgot charge of kidnapping, you know. I want to know everything about you, girl. Let me take you out.
And what do you have in mind?
Let's have lunch tomorrow.
Okay.
Oi man, body. Where name? Sangstar. Need a search, you know. Detective Stevenson, yeah? Put him on your ear and stop your talking, man.
Officer, how you leave the hell, sir?
Put him on hell your bum buckler. Let me tell you, man, I know everything, boy, I have your fire in the Sangstar. How much of people you're killing, you know? You a lizard, man, I have to go down. But you're not a murderer, I'm not a run, please. Man, pull your jacket, man. Be a search, man. Pull the jacket. Lift up your shirt. If you have no weapon. Turn around, man. Pull your foot, man. I want to see you. What man I do with everything. Yeah, man. Top of the knife, I want to see real bad, man. Have a weapon. This man, you go. Turn around, man.
Look for my mother, officer.
Look for your mother? If you saw your mother, how much? Your mother about 200. Oh, like, move for yourself, man. Kick in your body. Move, I say. Kick in your body.
So, Javaughn, I want to go and find the police boy then. Make sure say him no there, you know.
I've been talking to him.
Yes, your mother. You forgot to say your father is a notorious killer?
I know, but just keep it on the down low for me for now.
Me if you keep it on the down low for you?
What is going on here? Hi, darling.
Hi. How are you doing, my yard?
You know me a policeman, I go everywhere. Just depend on look checking the community, you know? Check out two things. Nice to see you again though.
Excuse me, I'm going inside.
Are you ready? Everybody feel the police boy, yeah? Hey, you're nice bad still, you know?
What you doing here?
No, I'm depend on look really, you know?
Yeah, but you know my father can see us together.
You understand that, but I never know what you're saying, you know? Nice to see you. Can't wait, are you?
My dad.
Javaughn, remember your father soon come here.
Go on your house now, man. See you. Brown chaps. Where are you? Are you alone there? You're rampant police, you know? Brown chaps. You're rampant police, you know? You not tell me, say, you're going to set up Lizard Man. Lizard Man kill me, look brother, Lizard Man have to dead for this, you know? Brown chaps. I catch you with a gun in them and let you go, you know? Say, anyhow, you not come through, me I go shit. You know, I never have to kill people. Me I not play police. The last one, Brown chaps, I need Lizard Man. See? I get your daughter, but I need Lizard Man. Play your part, you know? Play your bum buckler part, Brown chaps.
Boy, Nicole, you want to see how the policeman angry me a while ago?
Yeah, Lizard Man business that you know. You know how me getting at this in the first place.
Boy, Nicole, like we have to start kill some police boy again.
No. We nobody start with this again. A full time now Lizard Man done with them lifestyle, yeah.
Nicole, you have to get over man do for you. After we go capture the little boy for you, you have to get all of that.
For me, at that time job, I wanna say wanna protect the community.
What is going on here? Come like you Lizard body with songsters.
You chat too much, man. You don't.
You little get a rat, you get a. You can't tell me that cannot go on here, sir.
You don't know about me.
You little get a struggle turkey face.
So me a come out. Oh, really? Me a come out. You say you can't even come. That's why no man no want you. Go ahead.
No man no want me. Lizard man are dead over that good something, yeah.
One general, your bad girl, fully. Them better know you know dog. Yeah. Now follow trouble, follow me. Not even rat the teeth, not for bother me. Me have to walk and look back at me. Me not trust nobody.
What you want to talk to me now about, Aya?
Boy, my brother, seems like a time I figure up that thing here, you know.
Give up on which thing, Aya? I want that buckle you talk about.
No, it's a serious thing, man. You have to give up the badness, man. That's the way I get all.
All when me hold and I walk with crutch, badness can't stop.
Look for me, Aya.
How would do this to your eye?
Boy, some police bought me up there and they killed me like here. All I water me see come out of the man eye, you know, man. It look like the man hit me like poison.
What you said to me, Rasta dirt them?
The police them out to get where I am, I can feel it.
And me control police. You think a little chump change me give them boy there? Smarty head I go roll for this.
Me tired of ya. From primary school we do this.
It look like you forget say I one way out of this and then I grave.
Bossy, I always loyal to you. But I can feel the fuck rap come our way, you know.
You know say some front you want to do. Go and go buy war.
Bossy, I come go home.
Babes, I want to talk to you about something, you know.
About one now.
You know, it's a full time now you put on this danmanship business and left the community.
I will flip my head now.
You know I love you, you know, babes. And I don't want to see nothing happen to you.
I'm a bad man on the call. And me not drop my guard.
You know I be a bad vision me I get bought from the other day, you know. You can't done this now, you know. You can migrate and go overseas now.
Migrate which part? Me not left ya. I migrate this.
I can't say I just pure badness you love.
Me good man, babe. Stop worry yourself.
Alright then, anything you say now.
Good evening, Daddy.
Me daughter, you alright?
Yes, Daddy, I'm okay. Good evening, Nicole.
What, my stepgirl, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You look good, though.
Thank you.
Must say your father is tough, you see?
Tell me about it. Tougher than a column.
He turn a gang up on me now.
Daddy, you know I love you and I'll never gang up with anybody against you. Matter of fact, I'm not going to get in between you guys. We call later.
Alright, my girl, later.
Alright.
Nothing no last favor, you know, babes. Take heed and take my warning before it's too late.
Yo, hands good. Boy, no move, police. Police, your mother, man. Boy, you're very thick. Yeah, tonight the boy you have to deal with. Get him, man. Boy, songster, be right.
That was a close one.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
We ain't got dead man. I should have you with the gunman them take away. You better take come and pick me.
Man general. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where them know about this? Hey, Kado. Where them know about this? Yeah.
Father God, what a long torturous life. For me lose my boy, I can't get over it.
Afternoon, mother, where are you with? Nice speed, mother, what go on?
Welcome, my son.
Yeah, man, you alright?
No, I'm fine, right. Every time I see you, remember you make them take my precious son. Can't right.
So me and your son again?
Me not like you, you know. Me not like you.
Mother, calm down, man. Calm down yourself, man. See me? Remember me, I see your son, you see me? I'm a love you. I mean, I get revenge for my brother. I eat me a work pan right now. I bring a thing to come here still. You get me? I don't do that money here. You know, I'll milk me. The police know the money. I play people on the road. Mommy, you will say me, I know. See me? You know, so I will can't
I don't want your money, I'm a pit more.
You don't want it?
I don't want your money.
You don't change the ways, sir.
I don't want your money more, I'm a pitney.
Every month I come visit you, the same thing, you know?
I'm a pitney.
Oh, me and you pitney. What you know? If you don't want it, somebody come take it up. Here, big up yourself.
I'm hungry, you know.
Lion up, but me a bear the pain. Still not give a fuck, don't even clear me name. Humble but them good, that's where me tame. Come off at the bench and change the game. Yeah, never believe in the fairy tale.
Babes! Babes! Oh!
Oh, you can make nicer. Take time, man.
Then I will drop some orange in your water.
Cool, babes, man. Everything cool, man.
Everything cool that them son at ya? Nothing no cool. Talk to me. Something wrong.
You know, Sir Rat's dirt, them say police, well, man, beat him and bust up his head.
Hey! What you now say? Police beat up a big man like that? It seems like them know who him be.
I don't know what to say.
All them ghosts that come on to no back in no babes.
You feel, man, afraid of Duppy.
Me don't talk to you. You have millions of dollars. Better you left this ghetto business, you know, and start a new life.
You better you go on and you take my spirit, you know.
Who can't hear will feel.
Audrey! Let's do it, them. I don't want to talk to you unless you say your crosses. You're the worst thing about me in my life.
Audrey, why can't behave like this, man?
Let's start them. You remember we do look at thing 28 years ago? This is my first boy, a year boy.
What? Which first boy? Me have youth?
Don't worry yourself. Come on, big crosses like you.
Well, my whole heap of child support money now.
I don't even know. I'm me. But me don't want nothing from you. Just please leave me out here.
Not gonna leave for yard, you know. But she like to tell me about my son, I want to meet him.
You go to meet him and you don't know. Come out of my yard before I lose my testimony.
You know what? Not gonna leave out of this bomber clock and go on about my business.
Him don't even know, say, I'm one son I gonna kill him.
Brown chops, well on pan that with your life, you know.
What go on, my lad?
Ross dirt them.
Aye.
When you take the machine and carry the reptile across the free now.
Bossy, me tell you from the other day, say, me have tried left out them thing here.
Now give me no chat, man. You chat too much. Just do what me say you do.
Alright.
Boss, you kill him also.
Him cool up, man.
Boss, you hold up his son. Officer Fabian, this man just saying cross dirt man cross the road with a go. Him dey on him way now.
Don't move, look here. Don't move. Hold it. How are you feeling back? How are you feeling back, eh? Step back. Class! I'm lucky there.
We're fine.
Dead in the boy. So, I'll go on the boy and fly back, you know?
Fine, the bag and I carry on the state and go search it.
Shut him up, boy. A jail you go.
So, jail? I did a mark that boy you forget, you know?
No, Fabian. That is the man has bait. And to tell where him get the gunner from.
What? Turn around. Put your hand behind your back. And they behind your back already. Come on, go ahead. Tell them to put it in your back keyboard. Go in that car.
Hello. What you say? Police gone with Ross dirt them? Brown chops! Brown chops! Brown chops!
What I'm going to say?
Inform her about, you know.
Go on.
Police just roll up and ras dirt them.
Don't know, I feel it, you know.
Brown chops, or you smell like a rat, sir?
Yeah, I understand.
Are you alone know so me saying ras dirt them on the road with gun? Not even reptile me not tell saying left out. Come here. Not me yet like a rat.
Police, don't move.
What am I doing, officer?
Go against the blood clot one. Go against the wall. Go against the wall. Yo, I know where you be, you know. You're a reptile, me have your file. I say I find a pin on your blood clot. Did you hear that?
If you have my file, no, you not fuck with me now.
What? Go suck your mother, boy. Let me tell you this. Me a bad man police. I'm not afraid of that boy. You hear that? Turn on. Let me tell you this. Me know say lizard man work fine. You hear that? Me know everything, you know. You see me know I run off run say, you know. You hear that? But lizard man cookie I go crumble. You hear that? And I go down with him in the boy.
One thing with the police boy, I love chatting.
But I love kill boy more. Yeah? Anyway, move up. Run away, batty boy.
Lizard man, darling, the girl them sugar.
What's up on the bunch?
If your man will say I done a girl them can kill you with bondo.
What you talk about?
And where do you say Nicole and Sangsters in a corner rubber pro up like them the real town?
No man, Sangster nah do that. Sangster a real G.
One like your idiot till fall shit pan you, yeah?
No man, Foul can't do that. For Foul ever do that, me bust up gunshot and I'm caca.
Anyway, anything you say, when we can link up?
Tonight me I walk and check it, man. No worry yourself, darling.
Alright.
Oh, on my phone, the star. So I left it. Oh, I mean, I get careless, you know. See, call a man there, you know. To get pan phone, you know. I bet say him no answer.
Good day, Mr. Gale. You call me nowadays more than my wife, man.
No bother with me, sir. I never can call your phone and get you.
Well, I'm a very busy man, as you know. So hope you're calling me for a good reason.
Yes, Mr. Hilton. I'm calling about these two loose cannons you have called police officers. Especially the one named Fabian.
Boy, you need to give me officers them a break. You realize what the crime rate dropped since Officer Fabian arraigned?
Well, within 5 years, the crime rate will half a drop. Cause this man just a go around and kill everybody. Within 5 years, not even dog are left on the island.
You know, see your blood clot extra though. It's not that bad.
Hey, chill out with the bad word, man. You need to do something before I throw these officers in jail.
Go and run up a pressure, man. What evidence do you have to claim that my officers them not behaving within the law?
Well, this time, I have a young lady to testify. Your officers them kill our brother in a cold blood.
Well, I fear a word against for them, you know. So you what? Do what you have to do, and maybe do what me have to do.
So, are you back on the island as yet?
And people like you, maybe not even want to come back on my yard.
I better you not see me. Oh gosh, and them a pray me. Possible I better you not see me.
Well, Mr. Dolly says Super come check me today, you know, so me have a piece of food for give her. It look like them forget say I'm mean and lizard man.
Can't deal with Mr. Dolly, you know. But the man come send back and come check the one lizard.
Wanna go on, my daughter?
Hi, Daddy.
You have to run the garage or someday, you know.
So what's gonna do it, Daddy? Remember, I'm your only child.
Alright. Yeah, sit down and spend some time with your father. Oh, how the soup? That's my weight, man.
After you like soup, Daddy. Pull this on, please.
Good afternoon, Lizard man. So we'll meet again.
The last time we meet, a big gun you push up on my face, you know. Me not take that.
Well, a big gun the government give me for trouble with. By the way, who's she?
Well, my daughter this. She can run the business and run the place.
Well, good afternoon, daughter. But I want to have a word with the father in private.
No, anything you said to me, you say it in front of my daughter.
Alright. I'm so Dallas Cemetery, you know.
Soup, me don't like what you do to me the other day, you know. You're your squaddy, you know. And right now, I come under too much pressure. Look like if you get to a minion lizard, man. And I'm run the whole of uptown. Me and your boss a friend. Me and every politician a friend.
That this is come up ever tell me? Well, if I that, me no want to hear no night.
Soup, me don't have bag of talking, you know. At this talk. Hold this.
I bribe you, try bribe police.
Me tired of this. Control your boys, them. A matter of fact, me no want to see no police for my hands.
Well, this look like a lot of money. That's much of my boy that I can't control.
Me tell you, say a money talk. Every month me have a package for you.
This can't work. Give me a number now.
Soup is a very serious man, you know. My daughter, that's so we control the system.
Long time I get some other sweets up there. Like lizard man no one give a chance.
Well, you know the game and you know the risk.
Sure. Can't bother the long waiting, you know.
Seems like alright to say you want it.
I tell you. Turn on give her backers. Be a lovely thing, lizard man depend, you know.
You serious, songster?
Me fi tell you. Equal. Not even when police and guard man in a war serious like this.
Alright. Anything or anything. Give it to me, baby. Yes, baby. Baby. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby.
How are really a go on?
Here, baby.
I must blind me blind.
Yeah, baby. Give it to me, babe.
Judas and Delilah, you can't get away with this.
No, madam, don't kill me, madam.
No, babe, it's not what you think. Do me, I beg you, not do this.
All you take man for fooly, and I think I see me see you.
Baby, please forgive me now, please. Baby, please, I'm sorry. Please, me not do it again.
I say me a loyal soldier, you know, me general. This one time I fuck up, you know.
I'm not fuck you fuck up, I'm a girl you fuck.
Spare me, madam. Me I beg you.
You have 30 minutes to pack up and left my community, or else.
Lizard man, you know me love you, you know you're my baby for life. I'm sorry.
Hey girl, you know me a wicked man. I give one of my little soldier your front.
Lizard man, I'm sorry. Please, no babe, please.
You're not sorry, you can't stay in Ireland for living no more. Why me, Lord? Why me? Forgive me, cause I have sinned.
Father God, I miss my son. But I never can miss no more. But the wicked one is falling down. But the rough in them with the grass.
Must kill lizard man. Swear upon my life.
Hey, one to you. Lizard man?
Yeah.
You know what him we walk and look for? How you do?
You can't catch me on the side, give friend a backers.
You wicked him and you give the man friend a backers.
See that shout you.
The boy lizard man deserve it still. But watch out Nicole, I know you know. But I know you remember me, you know.
Your face look familiar, you know.
Why don't you remember my face now, man? Here we go now. We are carrying a station. Turn around.
And what me do now? After me not do nothing.
You don't have to do nothing. Walk. Remember you know. People remember you. Watch out now. My little brother make the damn kids now. Yeah?
Me not do nothing.
Hey Nicole, I don't forget you, man.
Father God, when me get myself in now.
Yeah, demon, man.
Go in the car.
That's why I show it, you know. Go in the car, man. Go in the car.
Them a free me. Fussy wall a better you not see me. Oh God, and them a free me. Fussy wall a better you not see me.
Boy, once call. We are dealing with.
Yeah,
but the men that won't be in it.
Guess who like that?
Who like that?
Look who like reptile.
Dog, if you are bringing them money.
No soup style my youth.
Soup?
No soup style my soup. Now they want me kill the boy dog.
Brother, amount of man them and they are killing on saying. Once call. You don't even know in a dog. You can't do with soup, you know. Underground them boy for they like tunnel, yeah. Hide. Hey boy, reptile. Let me tell you this. Dead if they didn't push you, you're lucky son.
A police boy think I'm afraid of jail.
And in this you're going to spend the rest of your life.
You lock me up and dash you the key because bad this is him and I stop bad.
Bad this is him. Don't drop the soap, batty boy.
What, my daughter? Everything alright?
Yes, Dad, I'm okay. What's up with you?
Well, I'm going through a lot of things, you know.
What's going on? Why I don't see Nicole?
Nicole are wicked.
What have you done now?
Don't worry about Nicole. Me run with her nastiness. Me catch a girl with man.
What? That don't hurt her enough, just make sure go on.
Waste of time that.
Dad, I have this guy that I wanted to meet.
What? You want somebody dead? You know no guy not good enough for my daughter.
No, Dad. This guy is really nice and I wanted to meet him. We've been dating for quite some time now.
One thing you determined like your mother. So when you want me meet him?
This Sunday, he's coming over for dinner.
So what kind of work him do?
He's a lawyer.
Oh, so you find lawyer for me?
Nothing like that, Dad.
We need to give Fabian a call, you know. You never sit down to do it?
Yeah, she's very beautiful. Answer the phone because I must want to get them a call.
Eh? What me?
Answer your phone.
No, I'm a boss.
So answer it then.
Bigger boss. Only boss bigger than your God, you know.
Fabian, you not behave at all.
After me not go to school again, what do you mean by me not behave?
Fabian, you not behave at all. Mr. Gale from Indicom just called me.
That boy is not like police in the bossy. But just do my work.
Yes, you have to be careful, be very vigilant. Continue to do your work same way, just don't drop the ball.
Alright, bossy. You know I'm gonna play loose, man.
Okay then.
Babes, that sounds serious though.
More serious than stage 4 cancer. But babes, I don't want to talk about work right now. I don't want to talk about work right now. See, well, you come back on my ends, go eat some food.
Yeah, let's go.
Spend some quality time with the daughter.
My stepdaughter.
The daughter.
My turn for we know me a dominate. The life I will live is like a scary movie. When the plane use me, from when we lose it. A time for hold my gun, you can't pay for me.
So, where do you want that son? I'll go on. Big up in the soup, where do you? So, I'll go on now, soup?
You want to come look for me? Yeah, man. That's Fabian. Can't go on and kill everybody. They must have income debt in your face, you know.
So, how when this income become a problem? Eh? So, when I understand now, where I sit to?
Fabian, remember the youth telling me Wellington Street, you know. Being in this prison, I am. And look, you know, we are going on the road of destruction.
So, you know, so I want to use why I join the police force. I need justice for the people. You know. See? And none of them man when I kill no innocent, you know. Whether I catch them with a gun or not, them a killer. See me?
You are going to kill your dad. And me, I'm the superintendent. I'm going to tell you, no more killing.
Me a top strike kind of soup. And I hear them, I'm going to left the police force. You hear that? Because I become a vigilante, because me, now I go sit down and make them boy and mash up the motor. You hear that? I'm going to walk me a bit. Criminal for dead.
Get a reporter in the come. And we now go down with you. This is your final warning.
So, me no right now, I don't care what in the come. See? And I'm not end up in a jail. Jail is nice, but I'm not end up in a jail. A gunshot to some boy is a road. So, if you don't work with the program, just kick me out to your division, man. See me? Right now, the commissioner of police will talk directly from my phone. You know the thing though. I mean a top strike out of it. See me? You see crime rate going on.
It's a lizard man. Leave that case alone. It looks like you have a personal vendetta. Right? But hear what I say. You can't put a personal feeling in this when it comes to crime.
So, you know say so like you sell out so. No disrespect to you, but so like so. Oh you talk to soup, when normally you talk to soup, you know what to soup. Everything I do when you want, you hear that? Big up yourself, see me? If Lizard man test me, a gunshot field, tell him don't test me. See me? But me I go back down, see? Because it sound like you want me back down. You know what I go on, you know? See me? But the whole I know I sell out. You hear that?
Fabian, it's not something you must upset about. You're not trying to save a life and save it from prison.
You try to save my life and save me from prison. So, everything, man. Fuck off, here.
The boy that get too big for him size, you know. I gotta cut him down.
Yes! No longer wait for the day. All criminal element. Sangster. All gunman. All gun bag. You think you're tough? I better be face. Tap your bum buckler nice, because lizard man, hey, tap your nice, you laugh. Lizard man fully up a gunshot there. Mush up your blood clot old foot there. You're a killer. Lizard man need you now, you know. And we need you too, you know. So, you go down hide away. So make up your mind. Either you go cooperate or you're going down.
Cooperate.
Hey, you think I can't be carrying? Tough cut you for them. You're lucky they are jailhouse, yeah? So give thanks. I say cooperate. See? You don't have no choice.
Good afternoon, what's going on?
Say hey, my friend. Wanna come stop at chicken and things, you know?
As usual.
Wanna chicken and things, they skill me, you know, when I cook.
And now we have the best food.
You know, that bad man police, you come tapping time, you know?
Of course. So we have oxtail, we have curry goat, we have fish.
Just tell them more, man. You know, curry goat more, man. I want to
Alright.
Babylon food, man.
We have Babylon food.
Yeah, alright, though.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Here things are going on with me, man. You see me? Criminal, they must stress me out.
What do you feel stress you out?
You know them like, man. They say, I'm going to pick them up, you know. Don't pick them up after, no.
But you don't know you're the baddest thing I really, so you know you have to keep your things on track. So you know you have to keep your things on track.
No.
On the streets there.
Mr. Fabian.
No, man. Mr. Gale.
You tell my word to say, young man.
Them set up on me. How about this, man?
Alright, I'm here.
I want to go on, Mr. Gale.
See, for months now, I've been warning you. Telling this thing that you're going on with, going around and killing the youths and not going to work, you know.
Me and Jamaica a better place for you, you know. You don't know.
Well, Mr. Fabian, you remember the young man that you guys killed the other day? I have a witness that come to court on you.
Yeah.
Witness. So I have something for you. This here is a summons. You're to appear in court this October.
And this day, man. Mr. Gale, you know me, probably I pick up on yourself, you know. So we bring the fire and everything I burn here. Prepare for you.
Alright, Mr. Fabian, you just make sure I see you in court.
Put up very good from here, that's it.
But look here, it looks like we have to go here, they have to go give you the delivery. I look like I can't see up on the road.
No, man, I come back for you. Where is it? Yeah, man. Them man are there. Alright, here is a post soon.
Have a good day, Mr. Fabian. This boy think me a play with him, you know. He better know him and look on a long prison sentence.
Boy, I'm tired and I'm stressed.
Mother, where are you going with?
I'm going to Fabian.
Yeah, mother, man, you good?
Yeah, man. Alright?
Yes, man. What going with you?
Just you're going easy, man. You know me and something to talk to you about?
I want to talk to him about it.
You know the man named Rasta Dirt them?
Rasta Dirt them?
My father, you know?
What? Rasta Dirt my father?
Your father.
How many? Mommy, what you say to me? The dirty dread you don't like, I'm my father. The frowns in our beard dread are my father.
Your father, my son.
Mommy, you know say mommy, you know say from my lose my little brother. You neglect me, you don't pay me no mind. Mommy, I'll kill me, I'll lock him up in the prison now.
You lie.
Oh, I said, mommy, you know say, come like, mommy, you know say, you know, mommy. Mommy!
Well, at least me get this off of my chest.
Yes, Rasta Dirt them. I had to come here today, you know. Put on the book here. Lock off the recording too. You know, say, I know I can't believe say a wicked pussy like my father.
You never know, say you come from the bloodline.
No, Channel. Rasta, listen to me. I'll kill me, don't go kill you, brother.
You not kill yourself?
No, you must not listen to me. I'll kill me, don't go kill you. I can't believe I'm a father. I can't believe the man me get like poison on my father.
So your mother never tell you?
No. But here what go on now? Sorry I never meet you earlier, brother. See me? But I'm my look brother, you know. You take me for this man, you know.
But them time they never know so you're my son.
Yo, it's too late, you know. Cause the city are burning. And right now I can't do nothing for help now. Cause right now I need a father figure, you know. But it's too late. See me? And me bring you down. You look on 100 years right now. See me? Why I'm for look like RIP, I have to tell you, you know. Right in a prison, you know. Take care of yourself, man. See that? Come visit you and make sure you're alright. Yo, one squad, hold on for this. So, when I go in, you know the queue, you see me?
Yeah.
So you shot go off, you come in.
Alright, before that.
See him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I go meet him that, then I son. To the idea, man.
Alright. Leave by this, leave by this.
Alright, You see if I'm ready? Ready to meet me?
Yeah, he is.
Alright, come on.
Hi, Dad.
Hello.
This is Fabian. My dad.
Nice, we finally meet the big man, you know.
So what kind of work him do?
Remember I told you that he's a lawyer.
Come like an interrogation, my compound father, man. Dinner invite me, you know. We're going for dinner star.
Don't worry about no dinner, man. When you come on to my daughter, I'm in the play thing.
Dad, come on.
Everything good, father, man. I'm a princess, this man. You know.
Alright.
Spoil me, you know.
Javaughn, go and go about the dinner, man. Let me and him all a reason.
Alright, Daddy.
Babes, prop up for dinner, you hear? Wicked, man.
Yeah.
I'm not too like you outside, we're going to the yard to talk.
We're going to the yard now.
Now follow trouble, follow me. Not even rock the teeth, not for bother me. Me have to walk and look back at me. Me not just nobody.
So what are your intentions for my daughter? I don't want to keep up no fuckery like them other one, you know.
So Lizard, man. Your daughter don't worry about.
Yeah.
You don't know me though?
No, that's no need to do.
You're going to know me today. Remember you know. Say you know Audrey?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know Audrey?
Audrey, my mother.
Yeah.
Lizard, man. A man, you look at brother you're killing, you know. You never know if you look a pussy, you know.
What the fuck?
Me never know. I know me kill the little brother.
Face the judgment, man. Today you're going to meet Jamaican.
Fabian, don't move. Put down the gun now.
Javaughn, you need this? Get up. Get up and turn around now, man. Let me tell you this. See your father? Your father is devil.
You hear me say put down the gun?
Javaughn, I put down my gun, you know. Me I tell you, you know. I come and tell you to kill your father, you know. See me, I like you know, but you can't save him. You hear that? Where you go? Javaughn, I put down my gun, you know. You hear that?
Let my father go.
Javaughn, mind you pull the trigger.
Daddy, calm down.
Oh, you turn jukey jam.
Police! Drop that. Put it on the ground. Bro. Hey, put your hand in there.
Revenge is mine.
It's my father.
Take her in. Take her in.
See them a try hard to kill me. Can't trust people. Don't make them left you in.
Vengeance is mine.
Be a gunshot if them this way. Them a try hard to kill me. Me no easy if you tear me, your fake smile can't trick me. I know everybody you feel link with. I'm out a friend me have, but try sink me. Me don't talk, me no love talk. Don't play with my life, blood run fast. Like when house a bun down, I saw me turn dark. Send Mario for murder your blood clot. Serious times but my love laugh. Reputation stink like we a bun dog. Make them ever see me lane and turn craft.
So, this is a recording device. Everything you say here is recording. You understand? So you can't call me a liar. Nicole. Things not looking good for you today, you know. You know, you're in some serious problem. What if you know maybe?
Who you be, sir? I don't know you.
Okay, Nicole. So, my name is Fabian Stevenson. You met me the other day, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But guess what? See, back in the day, and me got a wag, you know. I want to kill my brother, and you are involved. And right now you're looking at 35 to life. Right now I doubt if you just don't have no mercy for you, you could have get 100 here.
What, sir? I don't do nothing, sir.
Well, we just take down Lizard man, you know. And today is the happiest day of my life. And now I want to see you rot me in prison for my brother murder.
So you really think so you're a brother then?
What?
Now you're a brother named Javaughn.
Yeah, but what you talking about?
AKA Reptile.
My
And
brother,
this
what?
man groom him and turn him in a one away.
Nah, man. Ooh, a reptile. My brother dead. You mad? My brother dead.
Do your research. I hear a brother named Reptile.
No, man.
Roger Tosh, new beginning. Yeah. Look at my shirt, the dirty 2 pants, not even new shoes. Hot stepper, we are like hot pepper. You're trying a little hustling, be careful how you're juggling. And don't let them fool you, life has good reason. All they wanna do is give you that big dirty gun. Plain one rigmarole, be careful what you do with your soul. Sooner or later, when everything unfolds, sooner or later, Marcus Garvey's the head of the roll. Sooner or later, look at my shirt, the dirty 2 pants, not even new shoes. Hot stepper, we are like hot pepper. Trying a little hustling, be careful how you're juggling. And don't let them fool you, life has good reason.